Everyone. Today we're going to make a reaction to Chucky versus D-O-U-G. Original link in description. I will start the video. I will be using Chucky as a thumbnail. Oh, that's the name right here. I couldn't pronounce it.
Who the fuck are you?
Oh, hell no! Let's go, bitch!
Shut up, you idiot.
Oh, yeah? You sure you want a piece of me?
Oh, fuck with the chuck.
Is that right? You just sealed your fate.
Fuck you.
Let's see who will win. After Chucky defeated the Dragon Ball Z one, let's see who's next. Well, Chucky won. Slimer, goodbye.